Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile setting, and in this video friends I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile guys app lock setting. And today video title is guys how to unlock app lock with fingerprint lock. Friends, you want to unlock app lock with fingerprint lock. So friends, now let's see how to unlock app lock with fingerprint one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, in your Redmi mobile, open your device phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Redmi mobile. So friends, in your Redmi mobile, scroll down here, open your device app setting. After doing phone app setting friends, you can see manage app setting, dual app setting, system app setting. So friends, we will click here app lock setting, and friends after turn on app lock setting friends, enter your app lock password. After enter app lock password, you can unlock your app lock password with fingerprint lock. After enter app lock password friends, you want to lock any app and you want to unlock any app, so right click here, app will unlock, blue button click here, app will unlock, and again right click here, app will lock. Setting icon click here, biometric setting friends, you can see unlock app using your fingerprint lock. So friends, you want to add fingerprint lock, so click here, fingerprint unlock setting. Friends, your lock screen password is off. First of all, you will have to set lock screen password, then you can use fingerprint lock setting. Friends, lock screen password, I will use pattern password. You can use pin and password, but remember your lock screen password. Okay, if you forget, you will have to erase all data. Got it? Set pattern, confirm option, add your fingerprint lock, touch and remove different move on your fingerprint sensor. Move your finger, touch your finger, move your finger, touch your finger, and you can use. So friends, now you can check. Now when you will on your app lock setting, so friends, you can check. Click here app lock again. Friends, you can see fingerprint lock icon. If you use your fingerprint lock, app lock will unlock, app lock password will unlock. Friends, don't use your fingerprint lock. Click here app lock setting, enter your app lock password 1 2 3. My app lock password is 1 2 3 4. Friends, you can check, app lock will unlock. So friends, now you have locked any app. Friends, you can check YouTube app is locked in my Redmi mobile. If you tap on your YouTube app, so friends, you can see fingerprint icon, use your fingerprint lock, and YouTube app will unlock without password. YouTube app is locked, use fingerprint lock, YouTube app will unlock. So like that friends, you can unlock app lock setting with fingerprint lock. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.